Hey, how's it going? Josias here, CEO at Personal. Personal is a video software that helps you create personalized videos to increase engagement and prompt viewers, your contacts, students, customers, employees to take action automatically. In this video, we're going to go over a few personalized video examples and also over how the Personal app for HubSpot works. If you have any questions, we are here to help you. We walk with you. Simply write us an email at help@personal.com or contact your account manager. We are here to help you. Let's start with an example. Right now, you're going to see a personalized video, a personalized landing page, which is also automatically created by our software, and then a personalized interaction that will be displayed right in the video.
Hello, Henry. You are in control of your home and your future. And we understand that sometimes we all go through difficult times. We are committed to helping you understand your options during your forbearance process. Your forbearance plan is designed to help you by pausing your monthly mortgage payments. During the forbearance time, we will not report negative information to the credit bureaus. As you are nearly at the end of your initial forbearance period, we want to present several options that will help you make the best decision for your current situation. Your forbearance period ends on May 28th. Since you paused 3 months of payments, you owe this amount. To explain further, forbearance will not...
So as you can see, this video is a personalized video, which is a data-driven video. So in the end, in a personalized video, you can personalize different types of content: video content, image content, text, and even a lot more. But also you have personalized landing page, which helps you increase engagement so that contacts pay more attention. And then you have a personalized call to action, which is why this video is also an interactive video, which helps you at the same time prompt viewers to take action. Let's see how this video can be created automatically right within your HubSpot's workflows. Configuring the Personal app for HubSpot is quite straightforward. Once you have installed the app, you'll see 4 tabs. The first tab helps you set up the workflow template for video personalization. Select the contact information field to save the video ID. Let's say I want this one here, and also the template from your personal account. Don't have a template yet? No worries. More and more teams are choosing Personal for a simple reason. You receive more than just software. Yes, our software is scalable, it is flexible, it is secure, even ISO 27001 certified, but also we walk with you to help you succeed. So if your creative team wants to design the template with your preferred software, that's perfectly fine. And then anyone from your team can create a template using our online tools, or we can take care of everything or part of the project for you. Basically, we can also create templates on your behalf, and this is included in our offering. So right now, I am going to use an existing template from my account, which is Forbearance01. Now, it's time to insert the personalization tokens from HubSpot into your personalized videos. Personalizing your videos with Personal is a breeze. Here's why. The app will show you dynamic fields that make it easy for you to select personalization tokens. This is based on the template that you have initially created. That's what you will find here. Those fields that are available for personalization, basically from the template that was previously created here with your personal account. Simply start typing, and it will show you the contact information fields from HubSpot. Want higher engagement? With Personal, you also automatically create landing pages for every contact. Here is how. And here's the description. I am going to add the logo URL, the banner URL, and I'm going to continue. Now it's time to help viewers take action. For that, we're going to use Personal Player, our interactive video player that helps you add personalized calls to action right in the videos. Let's see how. Choose the type of call to action you want. Then the content you want in that call to action. The text you want displayed in the call to action button. Then when you want the call to action to be automatically displayed. Let's save these settings. Now it's time to activate the workflow so that we can continue with the configuration in HubSpot. Now your last step is to configure when you want Personal to automatically create these personalized videos based on a HubSpot workflow. Let's see how. Select the trigger that you want to use. In this example, whenever there is a form submission, the Personal platform will automatically create a personalized video, a personalized landing page, and a personalized call to action for every contact. Let's test this with a contact. Since Personal is a scalable platform, it takes seconds for a video to be ready. And here you have it, a video automatically created for Brian with a personalized landing page and a personalized interaction so that you increase engagement and prompt contacts to take action automatically. If you're happy with the test, simply go ahead and turn your automation on. If you need help with this setup, let us know. We are here to help you. Back in your Personal dashboard, you can see if this particular contact has seen the video or if this person has interacted with the call to action. You can also see the percentage of video viewed and the engagement rate of a particular campaign, or download this and more information right from your Personal account in a CSV format. There are many ways to automatically create personalized videos, landing pages, and calls to action to increase engagement and prompt contacts to take action. One of them is through HubSpot. Personal gives you the flexibility your brand needs with the help your team loves. If you need help, simply let us know. Have a great day. Bye.